All right, we're working on the 589 cubic inch drag race motor that tore up the main bearings. And when that happened, of course, the bearings, everything got hot. You can see some discoloration on here. And when that happens, typically what happens is these caps shrink. They shrink in some at the part line, so it doesn't, basically it doesn't fit tight in the block any longer. So what I've done is I've gone in and welded these ends up on the main caps, and then I'll go back in and remachine them to where they're wide enough now that they'll fit back tight on the block.
So what are you putting underneath that?
Those are they're called parallels. They're just precision ground, same thickness. So I put them underneath where the bolts go. That's a good machine surface. So it should be true with the bottom.
What were you just checking?
Just checking the width. What this, you get an idea of, they're all pretty much close to the same, so should be able to machine most of them the same.
Why are you doing that now?
Put the chamfer in there.
Okay. And the purpose of a chamfer is?
You don't want two sharp edges button up against each other. It needs a little clearance to the block.
Okay.
Otherwise the cap won't bolt down flat. Okay.